Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Seapad token. Ticker symbol is SPT, which is short for Seapad token. Now this token is being listed tomorrow on a very big central exchange at 14 hours UTC time. Now we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Seapad token is being listed August 5th at 14 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SPT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now this token runs on the SWE blockchain. You can check out their SWE scan, and it says there is a total supply here of 100,014 SPT tokens, and this token, it says, only has 13 holders so far and was created 8 days ago. So this is very brand new, hot off the press, this token here. You can find their Twitter at Seapad_DeFi. And their Twitter has 76,100 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well on there. And they also have a Discord group that you could join as well at Seapad on Discord. And if you want to find all the information, head over to their webpage, seapad.fund. And over there, you can find a full white paper, a document section. It'll take you over to docs.seapad.fund, and that's where you can find all the info. So Seapad is a fair, innovative, and trusted launchpad platform that builds on emerging blockchain platforms such as SWE, Arbitrum, ZK Sync, and others. Seapad's mission is to accelerate creative ideas and bring projects to life. So Seapad has two primary objectives. For projects, Seapad provides long-term support, not only for fundraising, but also through the entire life cycle of a project, from ideation to post-launch, and even ongoing operations, with a special focus on projects built on new networks. For users and investors, Seapad eliminates barriers to accessing project investments, catering to both Web3 and Web2 users, and generating stable long-term revenue and benefits for all participants. Seapad also integrates the DeFi functions such as swapping tokens, like a decentralized exchange, staking tokens, marketing tools, on-chain referential mechanisms, DAO governance, etc. To make it convenient for both project makers and investors, users once enter Seapad will not need to move to other platforms. Furthermore, as a trailblazing product on emerging blockchains, Seapad is well aware of the challenges faced by other projects when attempting to raise funds through existing launchpads that have not yet integrated these nascent blockchains. To address this issue, Seapad offers a claim portal that enables projects built on new blockchains to raise funds via any launchpad. Users can participate in the IDO as usual, and when it comes to time to claim their tokens, they can simply visit Seapad's claim portal. Here they can access their tokens according to the vesting schedule outlined in the project's tokenomics. So the permissions, Launchpads verify the projects before listing and limit users accessing the token sales. Users can invest in IDO tokens if they buy the packages such as diamond, gold, or silver. The higher package will give users higher chances to buy IDO tokens. Another common way for users to get whitelisted is by locking up platform tokens to receive IDO tokens. This approach is good for the platform because platform tokens will be held and increase over time. However, it does not bring long-term value to the whole projects as an ecosystem and will not work efficiently in the bear market. Additionally to that, non-crypto and traditional users may find it inconvenient when doing investment due to unfamiliar steps to access this investment. So the permissionless launchpads, on the other hand, do not have restrictions for both projects and investors. Anyone can create IDO tokens and launch their fundraising with a simple click, and users can freely buy the IDO tokens. These launchpad concepts seem great at first, but at glance, unqualified projects and scams on permissionless platforms could discredit the ecosystem as well as investors' confidence. So Seapad has a new approach to support the projects and engage the investors, and inherits all the outstanding features from permissioned and permissionless launchpads. The journey of launching a project on Seapad could be seen as below, and they have a huge graph on how they do that. Now, the roadmap for this project here, they have a product roadmap and they have a business roadmap. So the product roadmap here, they're going to have the Seapad DeFi project, then market and technology investigation, form a team and planning, design the UI and UX for business analytics, and then they have develop the Launchpad basic functions, integration with other protocols and projects in the ecosystem, enable projects listing in many stages, token sales on the Swede testnet, staking and swapping functions on Seapad, enable ref mechanisms for earning, KYC integrations, launch the platform on Swede mainnet, then voting and governance, claim portal, list the SPT token on a decentralized exchange and a centralized exchange. So that's where we're at right now, as they're being listed on Mexc Global. Then form a DAO committee. And then after that, commit the on-chain DAO verification mechanism, develop on-chain monitoring for a token listing on the Seapad, integration of new emerging blockchain platforms, integrate traditional payments, other functions for more convenience, and also engage users. And then they have their business roadmap to be announced, it says, so that will be coming soon. Now, they do have a token audit here that you could check out. So they were audited by MoveBit, and you can check out that audit on their document section. Now, they also have a bug bounty program, key features. You can read all about those. Frequently asked questions. The token specifics are on here as well. So the utility for the token is you can hold it to get benefits on the Seapad's real yield model, platform governance, vote on proposals, earn interest rates from staking, swap and exchange with other tokens, and hold and get opportunities in investment seed and private round for other projects. Shows you how to participate for builders, users, and investors on their documents. Check it all out, docs.seapad.fund. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all the referral codes. Hit that join button if you want to help support. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.